Hi guys, happy Thursday. I'm just wrapping in my last exercise up. I've been doing arm exercises and stomach exercises. So here we go. I'm just wrapping it up, working with my arms and help with my stomach. So I'm gonna do a couple of these. Let's start over and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whew, that's good exercises. Now for just move my body. This was what I was doing earlier. Just moving my body. So you move it side to side. Help with that stomach, that fat side right here. You can move side to side. I love doing these exercises, moving my body. Just side to side. Just moving. Keep it moving. I love doing my exercises more now. It was raining today, so I can't go for a walk. So I had to do what I had to do. Exercise at home. Move my arms. Move my arms, baby. Because it's helping with this stomach right here. Love working with my arms. Get the big arm down. It's going down too. My arms and my stomach are going down. I just got to keep up with it. I just love doing exercises, working on me. And you can work it on you as well. Let's go. Don't watch me. You get up and move your arms too at home. And right on your bedside, move your arms. Move your arms. Sitting in the bed, move your arms. Get some good exercises. I do these in my bed too as well. I move my arms. Gotta move those arms. These the exercises I love doing at home. With my yoga exercise. I do yoga as well. So these are the exercises I love doing. The simple little exercises, moving your body. Then I go like this. Knee lift. Knee lift. Help with that stomach. Knee lift. Knee lift. Up. 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 I've been doing these all day. Up. And when I did the belly fat 30 minutes workout, I've been doing these all day. In my workout, knees up and moving my arms. There's so many ways you can still do exercise at home, just moving your body. This is what I love doing. And I'm going to be making more workout exercises, videos to come. So there's no excuse for nobody not to do exercise. You can sit down in your chair, sit down on your edge of your bed and move your arms. That's exercises. Just going like this and going like that and going like that and go like this. Keep going like this. When them pains hit you in your arm, keep going like this and move your arms like this. When them pains hit you, keep going. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Because some people have pains in their body and it'd be hard for them to exercise. So I'm showing you how easy ways to do your exercises at home and without going to the gym. And you can just move your arms like this. I love doing this. I do this in my bed too as well. I'll do a couple more of these for you. Love doing exercises with your arms. And knee lift, up, 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 up. Let's go. Up, 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 and move. That's it. And you don't have no weights, and you just move your arms side to side. That's exercise. And lifting them up, 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 up. I love doing my arm exercises. Whew. I'm getting tired because I've been working out about, almost an hour now. Because I couldn't go for a walk today, so I'm doing all my last minute workout exercises, so I want to share with you guys today how to do easy exercises at home and in your bed or in a chair. So just move your arms. Move your arms. I'll go like this. Okay. Now let's do these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I got these weights from Walmart. They are 3. And eventually I'm going to go up the size on my weights. But I love a 3. So I wanted to show you guys my finishing up my arms exercises for today. I hope you guys like the video. Tune in for more exercise videos to come. Tune in, because I'm going to show you how I do my step exercises. Tune in. Just working my arms. Yeah, my arms get sore. This arm gets sore and tight because I do a lot of arm exercises as well. And a lot of power walk exercise. So this arm gets sore for some reason. And this arm is not sore. It's just this one. So I just take the pain. And take some Tylenol at night to ease the pain. Okay, about to wrap it up. Doing a little more and some more. These are easy to do. Loose side for that fat side and that gut over here. You can do these. And you can do them sitting down by your bed. Simple arm exercises. And it help with this right here and all that. And for a snack, I might, if I watch a movie tonight, I eat some popcorn and my water. And I have Jello. I need to get some more healthy snacks. Comment down below what is healthy to eat and what is healthy snacks to eat. Comment down below if you like this video. Like and share this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys like to eat healthy that is good for me and what's good to healthy to eat. And I drink plenty of water, lemon water, detox water, flavor water, and green tea, and sometimes no soda. So help me to figure out what to eat more healthier foods and snacks. Like it and share it and comment down below. Be blessed, everyone. Like my video. Be blessed.